Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 204. Arrangements are often made for bankers to make advances against shipments or advances on acceptance. The banker forwards the documents to his agent abroad, who presents the bill of exchange for acceptance or payment, upon which the agent will surrender the shipping documents. The London office of the bank will be advised, and the shipper will be credited with the margin or difference between the advance made and the amount of the bill. Instructions are often given to remit draft on Paris to remit proceeds of bill by telegraphic transfer or to cable exchange rate, and telegraphic codes are employed. These usually consist of keywords or figures, each word or group of figures representing a complete sentence. Full stop.